Welcome, and thank you for signing up to an Azimap account. In this guide, we will be exploring the Maps tab within your account. When you sign into Azimap, you will initially arrive on the dashboard screen. As seen in our previous video, the Maps section in the dashboard contains an overview of your most recently edited maps. If you click on the Maps tab at the top of the page, you'll be taken to the Maps screen. Initially, your map screen will be empty, but as you create more maps, it will soon fill up. On the map screen, your maps are presented in a list view with the most recently edited map at the top. At the top of the page, there are options to change how your maps are displayed. The drop-down menu allows you to alter the number of maps on a page. The button next to this will change from a list view to a grid view. This makes it easier to identify your maps on how they look. Finally, the magnifying icon allows you to search across all your maps. Back in the list view, we can see there's a little snapshot of each map to provide a view of how they look to make it easier to identify them. The information column displays the map title, map description where applicable, and the number of layers that have been added to that map. Clicking the top of each column will alter the order the maps are displayed in. This can be changed to display them in ID number order, alphabetical order by map title, or from most to least recently updated. Hovering the mouse over the image allows multiple maps to be selected and bulk actions such as copy and delete to be applied to these. Most importantly, the Maps tab is the area where you can edit the map's details, properties, and permissions. Clicking the three dots to the right of any map will bring up the Quick Actions menu. Here you'll see 5 separate options. First, there is the Edit Name and Description option. Clicking this will open a new window where it's possible to change or add the map name and map description. When you're happy with your changes, click Save to record them or X to cancel them. Next, the Edit Full Configuration option opens a separate window. This is where you can control, amend, and edit the full map properties. On the Details tab, you can edit the map description, set a starting scale level for anyone who views your map, change the privacy options, and select a map search option using the drop-down box. The Data tab allows you to control the data and layer types on your map. As you can see, the Data tab is similar to the main Maps page, with a snapshot view of the layer type and layer description along with further quick actions. You can also create a new layer for your map or add an existing data set to the map. Finally, the Tools tab lets you control the tools that are visible and usable on your map. Grayed out tools can be added to the map by selecting them or removed by selecting them again. To add or remove a complete tool group, click on the group title. When you're happy with your changes, hit the Save button to return to the main Map tab. Next, the Change Privacy option opens a new window that allows you to control who can view and access your map. Leaving a map in private will mean it's only accessible to you. The Public option allows you to share your maps with others via a URL or with an iframe code that enables you to embed the map in a website. Finally, the Public with Timed Link option allows you to create a link that will expire after a set time period. The final 2 quick actions allow you to duplicate the map and all its settings, or to delete the map.